Today, I'll show you how to make the national dish of Peru, the Chinese-inspired Lomo Saltado.
Chop potatoes, mix with oil, salt, and pepper, and bake at 425 for 25 minutes.
Got a plate of fresh greens to make our green sauce.
Add onions, fresh cilantro, fresh lettuce, jalapeno, and lime juice. Blend.
When that's well blended, we add our special ingredient. Oh yeah, little mayo, baby, little mayo.
Then add salt, pepper, garlic powder, and blend a little more.
Taste test. Perfect. Now the stir fry.
Sear sirloin steak in oil over medium-high heat. Remove and set aside. Add onions, peppers, fresh tomatoes, and stir fry for 2 minutes.
For the broth, we start with soy sauce.
Add vinegar, beef broth, mix together. Add to the mixture and cook for 5 minutes. Return the steak. Add the potatoes. Stir. Add some cilantro. Plate with rice.
And then our green sauce. I love this dish.